Hello kids, today's topic is connective tissue. So this tissue is mostly abundant and widely distributed in the body of complex animals. Also, this tissue is widely distributed. Why? Because of its function. Okay, connective tissue support, protect and give structure to other tissue and the organs in the body so the body can function properly. It is made up of two things: extracellular matrix and cell. Matrix is composed of fiber and ground substance. There's two types of fiber is found: elastic and collagen, and the ground substance is made up of protein and polysaccharide. Okay, there is also many WBC cells are found. What kind of why WBC cells are found? Because this tissue is spread throughout your body, so there is higher chances of infection. First is eosinophil. Eosinophil fight against allergy and pathogens. Okay, next is basophil. Basophil produce mast cell and mast cell secrete histamine. Okay, next is macrophages. You can see in this diagram, these are the macrophage. Macrophage are phagocytosis, so they eat bacteria. Lymphocytes, B and T lymphocytes are present, so they build acquired immunity. Okay, so all these cells are found in connective tissue. Now, types of connective tissue. Connective tissue is three types: loose, dense and specialized. Loose is two type: areolar and adipose. Dense is regular and irregular, and specialized is cartilage, bone and blood. First, we talk about loose connective tissue. So loose connective tissue where cells are arranged loosely. Okay, it is also two type: areolar and adipose. Areolar is present beneath the skin. Okay, and it provide a structural framework to skin. It present throughout the body, so it also protect organs. Okay, if we see the diagram of areolar tissue, it has macrophages, fibroblast which secrete the collagen fiber, and mast cell. All these make the areolar tissue. Adipose tissue. Adipose tissue store fat. How they store fat? When there is extra nutrient present in your body like protein and carbohydrate which is not utilized by your body, that convert into fat and store in adipose tissue. So adipose tissue work as insulator also. It absorb shock. Okay. Also, if there is shortage of glucose, so that fat is convert into starch. Okay. And if we see the diagram of this adipose tissue, this is the fat storage area and this is the nucleus. So the structure is like this. Adipose cells are like this. This one is the fat and this is the nucleus. Okay, so where these both tissues are found, they're found in beneath the skin. So this is your skin, this is epidermis, this is the dermis, and here the subcutaneous layer where areolar and adipose both are found. Done. Okay, next is dense connective tissue. In dense connective tissue, cells are arranged compactly. Okay, it is also two type. First is regular and the other is irregular. In regular, collagen fibers are arranged parallelly in specific direction. Okay, it is also two type: tendon and ligament. Tendon is tough but non-elastic. Okay, and ligament is strong but elastic. Okay, and tendon connect muscle to bone. This is the tendon. It attach muscle to bone. Muscle to bone. And the ligament, it connect bone to bone. Okay. And tendon is made up of white fibrous tissue and ligament is made up of yellow. And tendon have collagen fiber. Okay. And in ligament, elastin fiber are more than collagen. Let's talk about dense irregular. It is found in dermis of the skin. Here, collagen fibers are oriented differently here and there. no specific direction. Okay, it also form covering of many organs like heart covering, pericardium, and bone covering, periosteum. Okay, and the cartilage covering, perichondrium. Okay, next is specialized connective tissue. It is three type: cartilage, bone, and blood. First, we talk about cartilage. Cartilage is pliable but resist compression. Okay, and also in this cartilage, you can see the cartilage cells. Chondrocyte is found in a cavity called lacuna. Okay, cartilage is three type. First is hyaline, which is most prevalent, and it is from the ring of trachea and bronchi. Okay, second is white fibrous cartilage, which is the strongest one. Okay, and it's found between the vertebrae of vertebral column. Okay, also it found in pubic symphysis. Okay, next is yellow cartilage. Okay, yellow cartilage found in pinna, tip of nose. Okay, also epiglottis, that is form of yellow cartilage. Now let's talk about bone. If we see or talk about bone, bone is hard and non-pliable. Okay, and bone is rich in calcium, phosphate, and collagen fiber. In bone, the bone cell osteocyte found in a cavity lacuna. So the bone cells are like this. They are not like normal cells. Okay, this is osteocyte and this is the lacuna. Okay, and you can see in this picture, in this diagram, these star-shaped structure, these are the bone cell in cavity called lacuna, and they are arranged in circular manner. Okay, this is the blood canal. So all these cells absorb nutrition from this blood canal. Okay, so the cartilage in embryo convert into bone in adult. Okay, also bone have red bone marrow which produce the blood cells. Okay, so what is the function of bone? First, bone form the structural framework of your body because it forms the skeletal system. Okay, also it is hard, so it protect the soft organs like heart, kidney, and lungs, and if it is attached to the muscles, help in movement. Okay, now let's talk about blood. So blood is liquid connective tissue, and this is the only connective tissue which has no fiber. Okay, remember this. And blood is made up of RBC, WBC, and platelets. RBC carry oxygen. Okay, WBC fight infection. Okay, and platelets stop bleeding if hurt. Okay, plasma is also present, which is the liquid portion of the blood. So the topic is done. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.